Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. In this video, we will talk about $1 million a year or $84,000 per month income from basically copying and pasting links. You ready for this? Okay, I will make sure it's completely newbie friendly and you can do it from your home, from anywhere in the world. And you can do it even if you are a complete beginner, even if you have no experience of making money online. If that makes sense to you, if that is interesting to you, let's begin. But before that, I want to make sure you understand there are a couple of fundamentals in order to make money and in order to make a lot of money online. Those fundamentals will be discussed later on this video. They will be beginner friendly. They will need no investment again, and they will not need your website. They will not need your technical experience, but you must understand and follow those two fundamentals. We will talk about those later in the video. Now let us begin. Before we begin, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, as this way you will be a cool person in front of them. You're sharing with them how to make money online using the right way and the easy way. So it starts with a story. The story of my joining a group called Full-Time Filmmaker. Full-Time Filmmakers is a group of a person called Parker Welbeck. He is the founder of the group and he's the creator of a course, Full-Time Filmmakers. I saw an ad. At that time, lockdown just started in 2020. I was fascinated about video making, movie making, and my 10 years old daughter and I thought, let's buy this course and learn something new. So we started learning. And guess what? This has been one of the best investments of my life. Now, I'm not asking you to join there. This is not about joining this group. It's about what I learned from this group. Now, definitely, you see my videos are a bit different and a little bit better than other regular YouTubers' videos. All the credit goes to Parker Welbeck and Full-Time Filmmakers team. And you know what? All these 20,000 members, they are expert filmmakers, movie makers, advert makers. The discussions here about video creation, movie creation are next level. And I am literally the beginner in this group, not in money making or in business, but in this group about movie making. All right, story ends here. What we learned, all of us, from Parker is how to make videos that gets a lot of views easily, quickly. He has a series of modules inside the course, but also he shared a series of modules in this group separately as well. One of the things Parker always says that make your videos share worthy. Make your videos in such a way that people would love to share your videos with others. And I will give you an example of one of his videos. So if you go to Parker Welbeck, just search with compare iPhone R5 and Red. When iPhone 12 was released, Canon R5 was a bit new of a camera. Now I'm shooting this video with Canon R5. And Red is a professional camera. It's a $30,000 price professional camera used by movie makers, like highest level professionals. So this video about them or their team shooting a Hyundai car advert with three of these cameras: iPhone camera, Canon R5, which is basically a $5,000 camera, and Red, $30,000 camera. And guess what? They shot how they did it. They made a story around it. And finally, there were two types of contests. In one contest, iPhone video won, and in other contest, Canon R5 video won. So both the iPhone users and the Canon R5 users got super excited that both these cameras won over Red. So basically, they shared in this video that using expensive camera is not the key. Knowing how to use your device, whatever device you have, is the key to create awesome content. Story is the key, etc. But they made the video in a way that people got excited to share with each other, to share with their friends and families, with their mates, with other groups, etc. And guess what? In 1 year, they got 1.3 million views. Of course, they have other similar videos. All their videos are awesome and they are share worthy. You would love to watch those videos and you would love to share them with your friends and family, or at least a related person. This way, In a very short time, with 167 videos, they reached 107 million views so far. Now, I know the value of views. For me, every view on my videos equals $2.20 on the average. So whether you buy anything from me or not, from the average numbers, we still make $2.20. But for Parker, it might be more. If that is the case, he made $200 million, over $200 million from these views. Now, I'm not sure about how much money he made from this, but from Social Blade, approximately $93,000 yearly income they make from AdSense on these videos, which is not bad at all. So where is $1 million? Here comes $1 million. I wanted to tell you the story to share what's possible. And I wanted to tell you that you don't need to go to this complex path or this complex niche, which is a niche of experts. You can go for simpler and easier niche using my software, link in the description. I will show you in a moment how it works, and get $1 million a year. So let's go to one of my favorite channels when it comes to amazing contents, WATOP. We are the top, isn't it? Okay, so WATOP. They are amazing. They have 145 videos and 476 million views so far. And if you look at their number of videos or when they started, it's literally around a year back. Yeah, just a year ago. And WATOP makes $1 million from AdSense alone. I didn't really check, but they may also have other channels or funnels to make more money from these videos. But this is what they make $1 million from their videos. What are their videos? Their videos can be made using my software. I recently made a shorts using my software Epic. Epic is a software that allows you to make videos with bite-sized videos. On the right hand side, you see the bite-sized videos. Each little segments are each videos, and you simply can copy a link, paste it here, and your videos will be done. Now, how I made that video, how you can make $40,000 a month, is shared in this 1 minute shorts. This is the campaign of 1 minute shorts. It took me literally half an hour or so, and all I did was copy and paste. And I shared that in this video. That video is here, okay? Link in the description. You'll find this video for free. It's a 1 minute video. So in 1 minute video, I shared how I made this video. And guess what? People love this video so much that out of nowhere, I didn't promote this video anywhere at all, but people shared this video on WhatsApp. And so far, I think in 1 day or 2 days, I got 146 views completely free without any kind of promotion whatsoever. So I didn't even ask anyone about this video. I didn't tell anyone about this video before today. And people love this video. So use Epic software and make videos like WATOP. Make videos that people would love to share with their friends and family or related people. Now, the videos that WATOP makes are broader, has got broader and wider interest. This is interesting to people who love wonderful, amazing stuff. They don't have a specific choice or niche of watching. This is amazing for kids. These are amazing for teachers. These are amazing for people who are just watching videos, interesting videos. So watch their videos. All their informations are from the internet, 100% free. Copy them, put them on Epic, make your videos, publish them, and make money. Super simple. One thing that I learned from a paid course, an amazing teacher like Parker Welbeck, is make your content, make your videos share worthy, and those shares will build traffic. And from traffic, you will make money. For us, it's $2.20. For you, it may be $5. By the way, we have so many other videos about how to make money online, the easy way, the right way. You can find them in our channel, and you can find them links in the description. By the way, go get Epic free, use it, publish your videos, and start making money from today. Go ahead, and we will see you in the next video. Go ahead, link in the description. Go get Epic, use it, make videos, and make money. Super simple. You don't need to be on the camera, you don't need to write a script, or you don't need to build any videos yourself. Epic will do everything for you. Was this video helpful, useful, informative, educative? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next video. If this video was share worthy, please hit the share button and share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts so everybody learns how to make money online the easy way. And yes, we will see you on the next video.